Cricket South Africa launches cricket newest most explosive format 3TC, that is 3-team cricket. To get news related to cricket, subscribe to our channel, click cover and press the bell icon to get notification instantly. On June 17, when the world was suffering from the rough time, Cricket South Africa comes up with an idea of cricket weirdest form, that is 3-team cricket, 3TC. And the cricketing fraternity was shaken. There was only one question in their mouth, that is, what is 3TC? And in this video we are going to talk about what is 3TC and how it is different from the standard limited over cricket, and how rules and regulation of 3TC differ from the standard limited over cricket. The rule of 3TC suggests that a match is contested between 3 teams of 8 players each. The match is played over 36 overs in 2 halves of 18 overs with a break at halftime. Team bat for one innings of 12 overs split between 2 6-over periods, facing one opponent in the first half and the second opponent in the second half. In the first half, team rotates from batting to bowling to the dugout with the starting position determined by a draw. But in normal standard cricket, there was toss to decide whether 2 teams or one of the 2 teams will bat or bowl. But there is slight difference in 3TC. There is draw, which will determine whether the team will bat or bowl, or it will be on bye. And in the second half of the inning, team bats in order of highest score determined in the first inning. And if scores are tied, then the first half order is reversed. With just 8 players in each team, every player is actively involved in the game from the first ball to the last. But in this format, what is different is that there is no one-man stand in standard limited over cricket. But in this form of the game, there is, after 7th wicket fall, the not out batter continues to bat alone, which we call one-man stand. There is one-man stand in this form of the cricket. And regarded, that's all about batting. Now, how bowling differs with the change of format, we'll talk about that. The bowling rule suggests that each bowling team has the use of 1 new ball for their full 12 overs, which is used for both opponents. A maximum of 3 overs per bowler is allowed. Standard limited overs rules also apply for wide, bouncers and free hit after a no ball. A match can only be shortened by whether to 18 overs, 24 overs, 30 overs in terms of formula laid down by 3TC. Most runs wins gold, second silver and third bronze. If 2 teams tie with most run, super over are there to decide gold. If all 3 teams tie, all teams get gold, and in a tie for second, silver is shared. Cricket South Africa launches 3TC with Solidarity Cup, which is scheduled to start in July 18. This is first ever 3TC game and is being battled out between 3 teams of old class South African cricketers. Faf du Plessis, David Miller, AB de Villiers, Timba Bavuma are some of them. And Cricket South Africa also suggests that all money raised by the match will go to the Hardship Fund, a Cricket South Africa initiative to help all this form of cricket community who are facing difficulty due to coronavirus pandemic. At last, don't forget to give feedback on whether you like the newest form of cricket or not. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.